and welcome in the brewing lab of Accademia. Today we will do some latte art together. I'm using a full-fat milk. The milk should be taken out of the fridge with a very simple reason. More cold the milk is, I'm talking about the difference between fridge and room temperature, more time and more easy it is to steam milk. So I prepare my milk for the steaming. So that's my first step for preparing the milk. Of course, as a base, we need an espresso. I'm using a blend, which is kind of chocolatey and nutty, because this is the flavors I really like with coffee and milk. So we grind the coffee, it's gonna be a little bit loud. I'm using the Swiss mini grinder, so I don't need to temp, but I'm cleaning the spouts, and then I extract my 2 espressos as the base for my 2 cappuccinos. So here I have my 2 espressos. Before you start to steam milk, it's very important that you purge the steam wand, which means you just open the steam valve for a bit, just to leave out some eventual condensed water which is in the steam wand. So let's start. What I do is that in the beginning, the spout of the steam wand is fully covered under the milk. I open and I try to go as fast as possible, but with no hectic motions, to the point where I hear this, it's like a snake, which is like, this is the indication that I'm creating texture and volume. And if I notice I can't hold it anymore, I close the steam wand, and that's it. I swirl my espresso, and then what I do is I pour from the up. If I go down and I change a little bit, the anchor is changing and the white part is coming up, and then I just go in front. And there we have a heart. One more time. I put back my milk. I swirl the espresso again. I swirl my milk, and once again we pour from up. We stay under the crema, we keep it in motion. It's like creating a canvas. And then you go down, you can even go on the rim. You let the white part coming, and then you just go in front. Yeah, as I said in the beginning, the most important part about steaming milk is the temperature, the texture, and also, of course, the cleanliness. Then just imagine and think how nice it would be to surprise your beloved ones with the creation, with the eye candy on the cappuccino. Ci vediamo presto, ciao!